Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Blockchain Inside Out. Today I'm going to show you weekly update of Sunflower Land. You can see that crops are growing. I can get some eggs after 15 hours. You can see I have built that smoothie sack. Though I don't have any fruit plot, so I have to expand my land. Then hopefully I'll get some fruit plots and I can grow some fruits. Right now only crops I am getting and 10 eggs only. So my next target is to increase the to expand the land as well as increase the level of bumpkin. My bumpkin level is 15, so in next level I will get another skill point, and those two skill point will ultimately enhance my earning. And here you can see a new update has came, that reward section. I am going to show you how much I am getting. And remember, every time you unlock this reward, and this is a daily reward, so you have to pay a small gas fees to get the reward. So I'm clicking on it. Let's see what I'll get and how much I have to spend. 0.01 cent. It's not an issue at all, so I can easily confirm. I can pay the gas fees. Waiting to get my reward. Open reward. What could it be? Wow, you found 10x eggs. Right, very nice. I got 10x egg instantly, so it will eventually help me come back later for more rewards. After 17 hour and 54 minutes I will be eligible to get or collect another time reward. So my egg will eventually help me to bake my cake. So let's go to Helios and sell something in Grub shop, so that I can find that which cake to bake, and what other element we can cook. So let's start with selling pumpkin soup. And you can see every week there is in Grab shop these items gets changed. So you can come on seventh day. If all the items has been sold, so you will get definitely get some reward as in terms of SFL, and it will eventually making you not rich but making you more SFL holder. And I guess SFL will cross 0.25 USD. I guess it will come soon. 0. Let me check what is the SFL price right now. 0.25 is, just a minute. Yes, right now 0.101. So 0.25 will increase. It will be a much good value. So we can explore up to that much. Right now I'm selling for zero point 0.2. You can see I have 72 SFL, 72.589 SFL. I'm start selling one, then two, then cauliflower burger, then mashed potato, then sunflower crunch. Oh, cabbage cake. Well, I can bake cabbage cake as well as pumpkin cake and pumpkin broth. These things I can cook and sell this week. So basically I'm going to start with cabbage cake. Let's go back to my home. I was waiting that which cake will come up so that I can start baking that cake. This cabbage cake, it needs 90 cabbages, 10 wheats and 15 eggs. And you all saw that I got 10 eggs recently. So easily I can start baking it. And after 13 hours and 30 minutes, this cabbage cake will be ready. Then I will start pumpkin cake or maybe another set of cabbage cake, because cabbage cake will give me 9 SFL. You can check once again. Go to Helios. Cabbage cake will cost 9 SFL. So when I will sell cabbage cake, I will get 9 SFL. I have two options to sell cabbage cakes. So definitely I will sell those first. So 18 SFL, then 6.5 SFL for pumpkin cake, and I guess pumpkin broth I will get from Mineki Neko. Whoever is having this Maneki Niko, it is giving one surprise gift every day. So usually I get all these things from Maneki Niko. This mashed potato, goblin treat. No, this radish cake I found from treasure hunting, and this wheat cake I baked it. So I am collecting those cake just to sell, as well as I will increase my pumpkin level. That's all, my friends. If you like this video, please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you once again for watching. Bye.